Hello, myself Vineet and my wife Romika. She was suffering from psoriasis since last 10 or 11 years, and we have gone through multiple hospitals, multiple doctors, but it was not working. We tried all the allopathy, we tried homeopathy, we tried Ayurveda also at different hospitals, but it was not giving positive results. So sometimes we felt that it is recovering, but it was reoccurring again and again.
Yeah, actually, Dr. Megha gave us a new life because you can understand. Or I can wear my old clothes, my old dresses just because of her. Really, blessings to her. And you can understand for a girl looking good and going into the parties and dressed all and it I remember that moment on 30th of March 2022. I came into this place and I met with Dr. Megha with tears in my eyes, literally. And it was at that time, yes, I was working, I was doing everything according to my plans, but something is missing. I do have two kids, I have lovingly husband, but sometimes I never discuss this with anyone, but sometimes there were a feeling it would be good if I do not have any family, then it's easy for me to do suicide and any other like related things, because I don't want to see my face into the mirror, because I don't want to. I used to search for those clothes which can cover my entire body, full sleeves, then he, which can cover my fingers also, a high neck and scarf every time he can understand, in fact, and literally comfortable, a chiffon or a cotton. But you can see, that's why I bought this dress today. It's almost 6 or 7 years back I bought this dress, and today I wore it.
Yeah, actually,
Yeah.
she stopped wearing sleeveless. She stopped exposing the body parts. She used to wear all the full sleeve clothes. She used to cover the face. She used to cover the head also. And in between these 10 years, we stopped going to parties. We stopped going to functions just because she was not comfortable uh, from the heart, that she was very fearless that how the people will react, how the relatives will think of this disease. Even when we used to go to the shopping or when we used to go to the kids school, everyone who comes in our contact, definitely it was a fear that he will ask that what happened to your face, what happened to your body, what is this disease. There were millions of advices we have gone through, millions of diet charts or medications people have suggested us. So even we tried so many things. We tried many hospitals apart from Delhi. We tried Chandigarh. We tried allopathy, homeopathy, everything we tried. We were losing the hope that it would get clean 100%, or at least we would get some relief from this. But 6 months back, we saw some videos. We found some reviews at social media about Dr. Health, about Dr. Megha. So it was very, uh, what you can say, that the confidence uh, which we got from those videos was very good. I discussed with my wife, okay, let's go to that hospital, let's go to Dr. Megha, and maybe we might get some relief. So when we came here, she promised us that you will definitely will be in better situation in another 1 month only. So we thought, let's try. So we gone through all the medication. We took the medications. We followed the diet prescribed by the doctors, and within 15 days there were very good results. 40% of the flakes, 40% of the marks were gone from the body. So it gave us a very good confidence. It boosted our morale, and then we continued all the medications, and now as you can see that it is I would say 100% relief we got from it. It is now after 10 years, I can say that finally we got rid of this psoriasis. So I hope that it doesn't recur again.
We were discussing about our. I know this disease will break you from the heart, and I can understand that pain, but still I want के अपना मोराल मत तोड़ो. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई भी नहीं है. Dr. Megha is here, Dr. Health Clinic is here, and I'm sure for you कोई ना कोई कहीं ना कहीं है, बट इट्स जस्ट के आपको वो टाइम स्पेंड करना है. यू हैव टू एक्सप्लोर, एंड what I can feel कि you have to trust, you have to stay, you have to give time to your doctor, and for that time period please follow all the diet charts, all the precautions, and with all the medications. In my case I did all that is why I'm here, and I can say yes, I'm 100% curable, and I can say it will not come again.
One thing I would advise to all the psoriasis patients, that definitely you might have gone through a very bad situation, very bad phase. You might have very bad thoughts about ending the life, or that this is the end of life, how you will live now, how you will enjoy other things. The one thing, the mantra which Dr. Megha gave us to is that have confidence, have full faith in life, then only the medications will work. And she suggested that it is, you can say that 60% is medication, 40% is your confidence that you will overcome with this situation. So last 10 years, what I also felt, we also felt, is that we had our confidence was broken down. We were very low in confidence. So when we came here, before starting the medication, Dr. Megha, she did one thing, that she inspired us. She told us that there have been many patients which have gone through this, they have recovered. Just one thing which we need to take care is that do not take any extra stress in your life. Just live it like it is full of happiness, and you will get the results very soon. So that is one thing, that be positive, be confident, you will definitely overcome through this.
Actually, I want to add one more point. How can you be happy? Actually, पर्सनली मेरी जो पर्सनालिटी है, आई यूज टू टेक स्ट्रेस. मुझे छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में बहुत जल्दी स्ट्रेस हो जाता है, बट आफ्टर मीटिंग विद डॉक्टर मेघा आई यूज टू नेग्लेक्ट दोज थिंग्स. ठीक है, हो रहा है हो रहा है, अब नहीं हो रहा है तो इट्स ओके. ठीक है, what is the priority? My priority is my life. If I am happy, then only my husband, my children, and everyone in my family would be happy. If I am not happy, then no means मैं कुछ भी करूँ वो लोग हैप्पी हो ही नहीं सकते. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड सबकी फैमिलीज़ में अलग अलग चैलेंजेस हैं, बट वही लाइफ है जो आप जी रहे हो, और उसी लाइफ से आपको वो खुशियाँ भी निकालनी है. दैट्स द मेन पॉइंट. एंड स्टार्टिंग में मुझे लगता था नो नहीं, स्ट्रेस वाला कोई पॉइंट नहीं है, बट नाउ आई कैन से स्ट्रेस इज द मेन ट्रिगर पॉइंट. सो ट्राई टू रिड्यूस दैट.
The only message which we can give you is that psoriasis is curable. You will hear it from many people that the disease is not curable, it will not go away, it will reoccur, but definitely it is curable. In our case, it have it gone through within 3-4 months only. So but we came here just to show Dr. Megha that it is not reoccurring, and since last 2-3 months there is no sign of reoccurring of this psoriasis. So it is curable. That is the message which we want to convey.